Hey, Mike McGroarty here from Mike'sBackyardNursery.com. Well, first of all, let me show you this because I finally got this deal done. The plastic is down, everything is secured down. I got the irrigation put back in place. So now I'm going to put a shade structure over here because every spring we get some stuff that needs to be shaded. So I built these frames. I use them both for shade and then I use them for overwintering as well. Over here you can see that's how they're used for overwintering. Covered with white plastic, not clear because clear plastic heats up. White plastic reflects the sun. I might as well, so I did a little video. Never mind. I'll make that a separate video. All right, so I got to move these frames. They're kind of heavy because they're 4 feet wide. They're 30 inches. Excuse me. Every time I start, I don't know why, but I cough when I do these videos. The only time I cough like that. They're 4 feet wide, 30 inches high, and 12 feet long. So they're pretty heavy. So I made this little device. I made this thing years ago to move around my portable potting bench. So if you dig back in the videos back to probably like 2012, this thing may or may not appear. I don't remember. But anyway, it's just a piece of angle iron with a couple of axle pieces welded onto the angle iron. Now, big secret here. If you're going to do this, buy never go flat tires because every time you go to grab it, it'll have flat tires if you don't. So I'm a big fan of never go flat tires, even though if you buy them, the cheap ones, I don't even know if there are good ones, but the bearings and stuff fall out. But I don't use this thing that much, so it doesn't matter. So far, it's worked out well for me. I have to put C-clamps on here. If not, it pivots, and I have to cross this irrigation pipe. So I have to clamp it down. And then when I clamp it down, it works perfectly. And I can, matter of fact, if you look way over yonder, I've got 3 frames over there right now that have got plants in them, and I have to move them over here once I uncover that and I get the plants out, and this little device will make that really easy. I can simply put it under there and push that thing over here like nobody's business. So kind of give you an idea how well the crazy thing works. I think that'll work. All right. So, just like that, after I get it off the axle, I'm just going to flip it this way and then get it in position. And then I'll put this one behind it. And then I've got room here for, you gotta love live video. I got room here to put 3 of them, so one of those will come over here. Anyway, that's what I wanted to talk about. Until next time, by any and all means, stay inspired.